Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the Colonial knot. It's a little bit more secure. So I'm going to come up through the fabric and with my working thread I'm going to make a backward C, and then with my needle I'm going to bring the tip of it underneath the backward C. So we've got a loop on our needle now, and I'm going to wrap the working thread over and around. It's going to form this figure 8 that I'm going to pull and bring down through the fabric. Now, same with the French knot, you want to make sure that you don't pull the loops too tight. If they are too tight, it will be really hard to bring the needle back down through the fabric. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.